Hi, welcome to Bits-N-Bytes by Coulson Technologies. Today we're discussing how Coulson Technologies helped Brown's Orchard and Farm Market overcome a major challenge with their refrigeration system. Joining me is Chris Coulson, CEO of Coulson Technologies. Thanks for being here, Chris.
Hi, Buffy. Thanks for inviting me. I'm excited to share how we've helped Brown's Orchards improve their operations.
Let's start with a little background. Can you tell me a little bit about Brown's Orchards?
Absolutely. Brown's Orchards is a farmer's market that started back in 1948 down in Loganville, Pennsylvania. Started as a small roadside stand and grew to 29,000 square foot farmer's market. It is really the beloved destination for fresh produce and locally made goods in the area.
Wow, that's impressive. What issue were they facing with their refrigeration units?
Well, like many restaurants that have those walk-in coolers and refrigeration units, they have outdated systems that didn't have electronic monitoring. Employees had to manually check temperatures for over 15 coolers and freezers multiple times a day. The biggest problem is that if the equipment failed, there was no one there. So like overnight times or on holidays or even snow days, they wouldn't know until it was too late. This led to significant product loss and costing them tens of thousands of dollars.
Wow, that does sound like a major issue. So how did Coulson Technologies step in to help?
Well, we developed a smart monitoring system that continuously tracks their temperature data from each refrigeration unit. The system transmits this data to a cloud-based platform in real time, and we also built a website and a mobile application allowing staff and maintenance teams to monitor their systems remotely. The system sends alerts and notifications that if temperature falls outside of their normals.
That sounds like a major game changer there, Chris. What kind of results did they see after implementing the system?
The results were outstanding. Any issue arises, staff can actually take immediate action like moving products to backup coolers before anything spoils.
And what about the financial impact?
Since implementing the solution, Brown's Orchards had saved over $100,000. That money would have been lost due to spoiled inventory or lost labor from making the products.
That's an incredible success story. Any final thoughts on the project?
Well, the good thing is they actually spend less time doing manual checks and more time focusing on customer service and operations. So that's a huge time saver already for them. But this is just one of those perfect examples of how smart technology can solve real-world problems. At Coulson Technologies, we'd love to help businesses like Brown's Orchards streamline operations, reduce waste, and ultimately improve their bottom line.
Wow. Thank you for sharing that insight, Chris. It's great to see how technology is making a real difference.
Thank you. My pleasure.
If you are interested in Coulson Technologies, click the Discovery Call link in the description to meet with Chris and his team about your idea, problem, or situation. There is no cost or obligation, only an ear to listen and provide a few recommendations. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon.